Are you ready to master Microsoft Access? Whether you're a beginner or looking to sharpen your database skills, you've come to the right place. I'm an engineer with more than 15 years of experience in database management and project management. I am your tutor for this tutorial series. In this series, I will walk you through building a retail shop database in MS Access. You'll learn how to create a powerful, user-friendly retail management system covering products, inventory, suppliers, purchases, customers, and sales. By the end of this tutorial, you will have the skills to create a fully functional and secure application in MS Access. In this tutorial, we will follow a step-by-step approach to build a retail shop application in MS Access. The process consists of 8 key steps, which are as follows. 1. Create tables to organize retail shop data efficiently. 2. Establish relationships between tables to maintain data integrity. 3. Design user-friendly forms for data entry and management. 4. Develop queries to extract specific information effectively. 5. Generate detailed reports for better insights. 6. Automate tasks using macros and VBA to enhance productivity. 7. Implement security measures with login forms and user-specific permissions. 8. Set up regular backup routines to safeguard your data. Before dive into MS Access, let's have a look of retail shop application built using Microsoft Access. It starts with the login form. This is first line of defense against unauthorized access. Only authorized users get in. Once logged in, you'll see a sleek dashboard, making it a breeze to switch between sections like products, inventory, suppliers, purchases, customers, sales, and reports. Let's explore these sections one by one. First one is products section. Here's where you manage all your products. You can add, edit, and delete products with ease. To add new product, click the New button. Fill in the name, description, and select category of product from drop-down. Then save. It's done. To edit product, select a product from the drop-down. Modify the details. And hit save. Need a quick overview? Just click Product Report. And MS Access generates a neat, organized report for you. Next is Inventory section. To add, edit, and delete inventory items, use these button. Keep your inventory accurate and up to date. Inventory report is just one click away, and your stock report is ready. To find low stock alert, just one click on this button. This handy button warns you when stock levels are running low. No more running out of popular items. Next one is Suppliers section. This section is to manage your supplier database effortlessly. User can add new suppliers, update info, or remove outdated ones. Supplier report is to generate a full supplier list instantly. Next one is Purchase section. The Purchase section enables users to add, edit, and delete purchase records. These records are stored in 2 tables, the Purchase table and the Purchase Details table, which share a one-to-many relationship. This means that each purchase entry can have multiple purchase details, but each purchase detail is linked to a single purchase. These are the steps to record a purchase. Select the supplier from the drop-down list. Enter the purchase date. This information is saved in the Purchase table. Add purchased products by selecting Product from the drop-down. Enters the purchased quantity, and specifies the purchase price. User can add multiple products in the same way. This information is stored in the Purchase Details table. It is crucial to understand how and where each piece of information is stored. MS Access, with its powerful relational database capabilities, makes it easy to establish relationships between tables efficiently. Clicking the Save button, save the relevant records in Purchase Table and Purchase Details table, while blank form appears simultaneously. Inventory is automatically adjusted in inventory table, based on the purchased quantity. Inventory increases with each purchase, and decreases with each sale. The best part is that, this update process is fully automated, ensuring that every purchase and sale transaction instantly update the inventory table. Report button generates purchase report, which is grouped by supplier. Next one is customer section. This section is to keep track of your customers effortlessly. It enables user to add, edit, and delete customer details. Customer report generates a clean, organized customer report. Next section is the sales section, which is similar to the purchase section. The only difference is that it enables users to record sales transactions. Users can add, edit, and delete sales records, which are stored in two tables, the sales table and the sales details table. These tables share a one-to-many relationship, meaning each sales entry can have multiple sales details, but each sales detail is linked to a single sale. Clicking the Save button, save the relevant records in Sales Table and Sales Details Table, while blank form appears simultaneously. Inventory is automatically adjusted in Inventory Table based on the sales quantity. Invoice button is to generate invoice. User has to enter sale ID to generate invoice. Last but not the least, Report section is to give some insights of retail shop. For example, Sales by Customer report is to see which customers buy the most. Sales by Month report is to track monthly performance. Purchase by Supplier is to review your purchase history, organized by supplier. Low stock report is to get notified when it's time to reorder. Invoice report is to generate invoices quickly using sales IDs. This wraps up our retail shop application overview. Throughout this tutorial series, you'll build this application from scratch, step by step, and master MS Access. In next episode, we'll dive into MS Access fundamentals, creating tables, setting relationships, and more. If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe. Your support keeps the series going. Don't miss out on future videos, hit the notification bell to stay updated. Let's create something amazing together.